Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix this app is already running or how to force close every app in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to open any app, you might see the error that this app is already running. So the best fix of this issue is you just have to force close that app. So let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply click on the start button and just search for Task Manager. Just search for Task Manager, open this. And now once you are on Task Manager, you just have to locate the same app with which you are facing the issue. So once you find that app, let's say, for example, I'm gonna looking for Task Manager. I'm going to force close itself. You just have to right click on that app and then click on this and task option. So once you have clicked on and task, it will force close that app. Once you have force close, I recommend you just have to wait for a few seconds. And after that, you just have to retry to open that app again. And now this time, you will not get that issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. In the next video, bye bye.